Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a safe method, temporary airplane mode or app-level blocks. First, backup chat so you don't lose data. On Android, open Settings right arrow apps right arrow WhatsApp. On iPhone, go to Settings right arrow cellular and find WhatsApp. Once done, flip the network toggles off or enable airplane mode to stop WhatsApp using the internet instantly. This halts both background and foreground traffic. Make sure you understand this disconnects all online features until you re-enable connectivity. Next, apply a lasting restriction tailored to your needs. On Android, open App Info for WhatsApp and turn off mobile data and Wi-Fi, then restrict background data. This prevents reconnects. On iPhone, disable cellular for WhatsApp, and if needed, create a screen time app limit to block access on schedule. If you need device-wide control or multiple phones, configure router-level firewall rules or use a trusted Android firewall app. These options stop reconnections after toggles reset and let you control. Finally, verify the block and know how to fix it. Send a message from another phone to confirm WhatsApp shows offline on your device. If it still connects, reboot the phone, reopen app permissions, and recheck mobile data or firewall entries. Sometimes system updates re-enable network access. When you're ready to restore service, re-enable the same toggles, and if you made a backup, restore chats. If problems persist, review screen time or router settings because unexpected profiles or VPNs can override your blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.